Hello boys and girls, so today's video is about decimals and how it is going to be. So this one is the ones place, the decimals, the tenths, the hundredths, and the thousandths. Now I'm going to move that aside, and so if you're wondering what this one is, it's actually the ones.
You gotta put it back where I told you to put it back.
Okay, so I'm going to put that away. This one is, well actually, let's go here. The decimal.
I did B8, but B2.
So you see that that is the decimal.
How many master your twos? Master my 10s, 11s, and
Sorry, that's just everything else. So I'm gonna move that to the tenths.
Hey, do me a favor. Since you got this, guys, listen. If you come out this door, we just have to make sure it latches shut. Because we're trying to focus on it. We can't when the doors are, right?
Okay, I accidentally put an H there.
Malachi is where it was, on that shelf.
And then we go to here,
Alright, what does the 2, is it
the hundred.
above 5 or below 5? So what does below 5 mean? You're good to go. You're bumping it up? You do? Does the 2 give it a shove or let it go? Is it below 5 or above 5?
Pretend that this is over here,
Good to go.
just over here by the
That
D.
means you leave it alone. Good to go means I stay as is. Yes.
And then we go to here,
Mr. B's gonna pull you
1,000.
Well, we'll see how you do.
Now, when I was, oops. So as you, oops, sorry. So as you see, at the end of each of them, there's TH, because it is behind the decimal, which is right here. Everything above it is whole numbers. Everything behind it ends with TH. So, so let's go to the next. So one more thing is, this is the ones place, tens, hundredths, well, let me start that over. Ones, tenths, hundredths, and thousandths, because each of them ends with TH. Okay, welcome to our flip video with Emily and Corinne. We are going to talk about decimals. The first place we're going to talk about is the tens place. And if you see the wholes place, it has everything filled in. But if you see the tenths place, then you see 1, 2, 3, however many. It can go up to 9. Oh. It can go up to 9, but it cannot go up to 10. So it can go up to this many. Because if you do a tens,
That would be whole.
then it would be one whole. So instead, we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll start with 5. Okay, so now we see that we have one stick full. And we have 5 in the tenth place. So we see that one hole is filled in, so we put a 1 in the holes place. And you see the tenths, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we put the 5. And then how you pronounce it, you would say 1 and 5, and then if you put your stuff like that, you'd see it's in the tenths, so you'd go 1 and 5 tenths.
Okay, so now we have just, if you have one of these, you have one whole. But now each of these that are filled in, these would be in the tenth place because there are 10 of them in each hundredth. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. So now if you have that, then now each of those would be, each of these little dots for each block will be in the hundredths place because there are 100 of them in one block. But now, see if if I had, let's say, one's all colored in. So one's just filled in completely. But, so that would be the one whole. See, now this would represent a tenth, but now I'm in the hundredth, so I'll put another 0 over there. But see, if I had one whole over here, I'll put a 1. But now, if I had 3 of these filled in, then that would make it into a 3 in the tenths place because there are 10 of the sticks in each hundredth. But now if I had these, that would be in the tenths place. No, the hundredth place because there are 100 of them in each. But there are 4 of them, so I'll put a 4 in the hundredth place. Now that is how you do that.